If you want to switch between light mode and dark mode in Affinity, here's how to switch it. You go to your file, you click on edit, then go to settings and click on settings, and the settings bar will open. When it opens, look for user interface and click on it. So here you have to now play around with the settings and find the one that suits you. So first of all, you see the background gray level. This one is for the background. So let's adjust it. So as you can see, as I'm dragging it, it's changing the background of our workspace. So it's making it whiter. So you adjust it according to your desired level. So I think I'll use the original default set. Then artboard background gray level. So you also adjust this one. I don't think it has much changes, so let's just leave it how it was. Then text contrast. This is what makes the text pop out or fade. Look at this place. Let me show you. So as I adjust it, you see that it becomes dim and it becomes brighter. So but let's keep it how it was, so it won't be too bright. Then we have UI brightness. This one is the entire body of the interface UI. It becomes too bright. Take it down. If you want it to be darker, bring it like this. So UI contrast default or high. We'll leave it at default, or you can choose high with that default. So you can go ahead and look at these other settings and go through it. So but it's not hard changing your to light mode. For some of us that want to use a dark mode, you can make it darker, you can make it lighter depending on your preferences.